Good morning, children. Welcome back to our mathematics online class. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Already in previous classes we started
ma'am.
chapter 1, the fish tail.
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. Today we are going to continue the session. Okay. Yes, children. As you know, 110 means 10. 1 0. 100 means 1, 2 zeros we have. 1000 means 1, 3 zeros we have. So then 10,000. 10,000 means what? 10,000 means 10 into 1000. Then how many zeros we are getting here? We are getting 4 zeros. Next, 1 lakh. 1 lakh means how many zeros you have in 1 lakh? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh. So we have 5 zeros here. So this is 10 lakhs, 1 crore and 10 crore. Okay. So these are the values what we have. Now here some questions are given for us. Which is equal to 100,000? 100,000. 100,000 means what, ma? 100,000. 100. 100 into 1,000. So how many zeros you have here? 5 zeros you have. So when we have 5 zeros, what is the value, ma? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh. So which is equal to 100,000? 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Now one more question is given for us. How many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? Let us count the zeros in 1 lakh. How many zeros you have, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there in 1 lakh. 5 zeros are there in 1 lakh. Now, how many zeros are there in 1 crore? How many zeros are there in 1 crore, ma? Count and say.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 7 zeros. 7
Very
zeros, ma'am.
good.
8, ma'am. 8.
1 crore equals to how we will write, ma?
8,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many zeros are there?
8, ma'am. Must we write this?
Only zeros I am asking. Not place values. Not places. How many zeros in 1 crore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there.
7, ma'am. 7, ma'am. 7 zeros in
Ma'am,
1 crore.
must we write? Ma'am,
7 zeros are there in 1. Yes. In 1 crore, how many zeros are there, ma? In 1 crore, we have 7 zeros. Now let us see another question. Some big numbers. In the class 4 math music, you heard of number lakh, which is equal to 100,000. You had read that there are about 1 lakh brick kilns in our country where bricks are made. What other things have you heard in lakhs? What other things you heard, ma, in lakhs? Anyone from the class? What other things you have heard in lakhs?
10 lakhs. Pages.
Cost of your bus.
Papers.
Cost of your bus. It will be in lakhs. Cost of your truck.
Yes.
Cost of aeroplane. Okay. Population. Country.
Population.
Okay. So like that we can heard in these things, we can heard in lakhs. Okay. Now there are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. what is the number of boats with a motor? 2 lakhs boats in our country. Okay. How many boats are there? 2 lakhs boats are there in our country. Half of them are without motor. So, write what is the number of boats with motor? Without calculating, say it, ma. See, I have 4 pens with me. Half I gave to Pranavi. How many pens are with me?
2.
What we done? By 2.
Ma'am, one.
So, like that, 2 lakhs boats are there in our country. From that, how many are? With motor, without motor, how many?
1,000, ma'am.
Without
1,000.
motor, half are there. Then with motor, we have half. Isn't it?
1 lakh.
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
Ma'am,
1
1 lakh.
That means half into 2 lakhs. Which is nothing but 1 lakh
1
boats
lakh.
are
1 lakh.
with motor and 1 lakh boats are without motor.
Motor.
About 1/4 of boats with a motor are big machine boats. How many thousand machine boats are there? So 1/4. 1/4 means what, ma? 1/4 of 2 lakhs you have to find out.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's coming black. Yes, ma'am.
Now we can see, ma'am.
So there are about 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. So 1,000 machine boats are there. So how many boats are there with motor? They are asking. So 1/4 of 1,000. Without doing, you have to say. Yeah, now. Where have you heard of a crore? What was the number used for? Crore. Where you use it, ma? Where you will use it for crore?
Buying a house, ma'am.
Yes.
Buying a
race
duplex house, ma'am.
Buying a helicopter. Sorry, ma'am. Buying a aeroplane.
Population simply. Population also we can have in crores. Okay. Yes. Now the fish market. Who will read, ma?
Ma'am, Rajwal.
Ma'am,
yeah.
Vaishnavi, ma'am,
Harry, read
Vaishnavi. Ma'am,
The fish market. Have you been to see a fish market? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. This fish market is busy today. Many boats have bought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Minnie, come here, take
Sardines.
sardines at rupees 40
A case.
kg. 40 a kg. Grace
That
never
means
so
1 kg is 40 rupees. 1 kg of sardines is 40 rupees. Next.
Grace never so creep. Get swordfish for rupees 60 a kg. Florama sells prawns for rupees 150 a kg.
Prawns for rupees 150.
Prawns for 150 kg. Karutama sells squid for rupees 50 a kg.
Squad rupees 50 a kg.
Look Fazila can
Hardly carry
his big
this
fish king.
big king.
Kingfish. She says this fish weighs
This
8
fish
kg.
weighs 8 kg.
I will sell the whole for rupees 1,200. Ma'am,
Yes,
go
yes.
ma'am.
Here I am giving the prices of the fishes which we heard in the fish market. Okay. Now here we have some questions, ma'am. So let us see the questions. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? So here we have 8 kg kingfish is rupees 1200. Now we need to find out 1 kg. So 1 kg kingfish, cost of 1 kg kingfish. So 1200 divided by 8. So do it, ma. So first digit 1 is lesser than 8. So we have to check for 12. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So 16 is more than 12. So 8 ones are 8. Do the subtraction. 40. 8 fives are 40. Now get it down. 0. 8 zeros are 0. So what is the cost of 1 kg kingfish, ma? Cost of 1 kg kingfish is 150 rupees. Cost of 1 kg kingfish is 150 rupees. So cost of 8 kg is 1200. Now tell me cost of 2 kg kingfish. Cost of 2 kg kingfish.
300, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Vizwala. It is 300. Now, look at the second question, ma. Florama has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? So, how many kgs, ma? 10 kgs she sold. So here we have 1 kg prawns. Cost of 1 kg prawns. How much ma it is? How much it is?
150.
150.
It is 150 rupees. Now we need to find out cost of 10 kg prawns. 1 kg is 150. Then 10 kgs? How much? 150 into 10.
1050.
So
1050.
1 0. Here 1 more 0. 1500. So cost of 10 kg prawns 1500. Then cost of half kg. Cost of half kg. 1 kg is 150. Half kg means 150 by 2, which is nothing but 75 rupees. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Now we will see another question. We will see another question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. And Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kgs of sardines did Minnie sell? So, observe it clearly. Okay, read it one more time. Vaishnavi, read the question one more time.
Okay, teacher.
The third one, ma, Gracie sold.
Gracie sold. Gracie sold. Gracie sold 6 kg
Hmm.
swordfish.
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 1 kg.
Mini
How
had
much? Yeah, wait.
mini.
Wait, Vaishnavi. 1 kg
Okay, ma'am.
swordfish is 1 kg swordfish is how much, ma? 1 kg swordfish is 60 rupees. Now 6 kg?
60 rupees.
6 kg.
Kg.
60 into 6. So which is nothing but how much, ma? 360 rupees. But Mini also earned the same amount. Mini also earned the same amount. From the question it is given that Mini also earned the same amount. So how many kg of sardine she sold? So
only location the landmark
40.
road number is
For how many ka 1 kg sardines? Then 360 rupees, how many we will get? For 40 rupees, we will get 1 kg sardines. For 360 rupees, how many kgs we will get? Okay. So, how we will get, ma? 360 1 by 40.
Squad.
So, here 1 0 we can cancel. 4 ones are 4 nines are. So, how many kgs, ma? 9 kgs
Ma'am,
sardines she will get. She sold. So, Mini sold 9 kg sardines. He sold 9 kg sardines.
outright
Okay? Is it interesting, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So, did you understand how to do these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, read it, Vaishnavi.
Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 of prawns. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? How
Yes.
many kilograms of prawns did he buy?
Prawns.
Prawns.
Yes. See here. Bashir has 100 rupees. Bashir has 100 rupees. So, my name is Bashir. How much, ma?
100 rupees. 100
How?
rupees.
He spends 1/4 of the money on squid. Okay, money spent on squid.
Then
1/4 of 100 rupees. Isn't it? 1/4 of 100 rupees he spent on squid. So 1/4 of 100 rupees. So how much, ma? 100 by 4. How many rupees here it is? 25.
400, ma'am.
But divided by 4, ma, not multiplication it is. So he spent 25 rupees to buy squid. So here 1 kg squid is 50 rupees. 1 kg squid is 50 rupees. Then 25 rupees means how many he will get? How many kgs will he get?
Half.
How many kgs will he get, ma? So for 50 rupees, we will get 1 kg squid. So then for 25 rupees, how many kgs? Okay, so 25 into 1 kg divided by 50. 25 table will go 25 1s are 25 2s are. So half kg squid he will get. Half kg squid he will get for 25 rupees. So Bashir gets half kg squid for
For 25 rupees.
yes for 25 rupees.
25 rupees for 25
Now what is the
rupees.
next question we have? What is the next question, ma? How many kilograms of prawns did he buy? So he spent money spent on prawns. So 3/4 of 100. Okay. That means 75 rupees. Money spent on prawns 75 rupees. So we will get for 150 1 kg of prawns. For 150 rupees we will get 1 kg of prawns. So for 75 rupees how many kgs will you get? So 75 into 1 kg divided by 150. Again, can we cancel 5 table? 5 ones are 5 5s are. Again, 5 3s are 15, 30. 15 ones are 15 2s are 30. So, how many kgs, ma? How many kgs did he buy?
Half kg.
1/2.
Yes. So, for 25 rupees, he got half kg squid. And for 75 rupees, he bought half kg prawns. So first we have to find out how much he spent on squid and how much money is spent on prawns. So the fraction is given for us. In last class we done that. Last year we learned these things, how to find out. 1/4 of 100, 3/4 of 100, half of 1000. We completed all these things, Nama. So by using that we have to do.
Ma'am, abundance.
I will take ma, you don't worry about that.
Thank you.
Bye children, have a nice day, bye. And
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.